Hi there, welcome to Diva and La Cocina. Today I wanted to cover cooking for the holidays because we're in the middle of October and the holidays are just around the corner. If you're in Canada, you're already celebrating Canadian Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving. And I would like to just go over some of the color options that I'm particularly excited about using this year. So I love using enameled cast iron to cook. It just makes such a difference in the taste, and I have acquired a bit of a collection, as you can see. So I just wanted to go over some of the dishes that I'll be presenting, just the colors that I'll be using this year for the holidays. So thanks for joining today. And if you like the video and want to subscribe, just hit the button and give me a thumbs up if you enjoy the video. So first off, I just wanted to say that I think whatever color you go with, you can't go wrong. But the colors that I particularly enjoy using around the holidays are just something with a pattern, like a holiday pattern, or something in like a deep red, a deep green, and some yellow, or yellow oranges. I don't know, it's just, I think those are my colors for the holidays. There's always the color of pumpkin, and I actually have a dish that I use in the holidays. It's actually a pumpkin figurine that Staub creates. Le Creuset also has them, but I just have like a big 5-quart from Staub, and I'm waiting to hear to decide about the Le Creuset pumpkin. Anyways, so let me proceed. So let's go with the first color, which I love. It's called Nectar. It's like a orangey yellow, and this is it. So I have a few pots in this color, but this pot is it's just special. It's in the shape of a flower, so it always looks pretty on a dining room table, or at the table that you want to serve some appetizers, like a dip or something, like a hot dip. So you may want to use that. These things are a bit heavy, so I'm picking them up. It's another fafa. Okay, but it's just in a different color. It's like a dark green. And here we go. So this is called Artichaut. And as you can see, it's just much darker. But, it's the holidays, and that evergreen color is really great. But this is called Artichaut after the vegetable. And the reason why I love these two pots is, again, because they're in the shape of a flower or a fafa. So let me just get the lids now for you to see side by side the colors together. Okay. So here they are. You can see, there's such a contrast and so pretty together. I just love using them, especially in the fall. So that's typically, I like combining those two colors together. So another color that I really enjoy using over the holidays is red. I just love dark, deep, rich reds in my color scheme, and just love using it around the holidays. So Le Creuset came out with a new color, relatively new color, called Rhone. It's also referred to as garnet, but it's just gorgeous, and I love it. It's just a gorgeous color. So let me get that one. So as you can see, here's Rhone. And I didn't particularly enjoy this color at first. I went to go check it out at Crate and Barrel, and it was a beautiful color, I thought, but just maybe the color was a bit saturated. I thought it would be too saturated, but it grew on me, and then combining it with another color or another pattern seemed to really go well for me, in my opinion. So I loved how the red just was offset by that gold copper knob that they've put in. I think that was really great. This style of the pot is a sawtooth. So as you can see, the bottom has a bit of a curve on the side, which differs from a normal Dutch oven, which is flatter. or a pot that's used for risotto. So those pots are kind of flat. And let me just show you what pot I would combine this with. So I decided to use like a holiday motif. This is white. It's a shiny white color, but you can see on the side there's just holiday motifs on it. This pot is called the 12 Days of Christmas. And I just love the colors. You can actually combine it very well with the Rhone and the Artichaut. And I had a little display of these pots stacked up together, and it was Rhone on the bottom, this one in the middle, and Artichaut on the top. And it just went, the color scheme was just really good because this pot has both red as well as dark green on it. So it really went well. Anyway, so I'll be using that over the holidays to serve food. And now my final dish, which I use every Christmas. I love using it. Okay, so there's a little story behind this one. It's discontinued. You can't get it anymore. And one day I was walking, I went into a Le Creuset outlet and I saw it. It was like right there. So I'm a little eccentric and I gave a little squeal of happiness. And I went to hug it. So I just hugged it. The lady who was, the manager who was working there, she knew me, so she understood my excitement. But, you know, yeah, that was a special moment for me to finally find it. And I was able to get it. And so, okay, so let me show you. I've been raving about it, but I didn't show you. Okay, let me show you. You will understand as soon as you see this. Okay, this is, it's the Cerise. It's like the standard red cherry. It's cherry actually in English, but in French it's Cerise for red, but for cherry red. But this is, it's just a normal like red, and you notice the bottom is flat, just as I mentioned, because this is a normal Dutch oven. But this has a pattern and has like a tartan pattern. This pot also came in white, so there was a white tartan version of it, but I never got it. So, quel dommage, what a shame. But I got this one, and it is my holiday Christmas dish. My mom loves it. I've used it to make bread, I've used it to serve food, but it's just always just really nice. And here's the lid. So you can see the lid. And here is the tartan pattern on the sides. There's nothing on the bottom. Okay, I haven't used this one. I used the other one. I have another one. So that's why the sticker's still on this one. But yeah, so those are my the cast iron cookware that I'll be using for the upcoming holidays. I hope that you had a nice time just looking at these particular colors. I want to show you more of my colors and talk about them a little bit more with you. And so I hope you will join me on this journey. Again, if you would like to continue seeing the videos as I post them, just subscribe. And if you enjoyed this particular video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much, and you have a great day.